Is robotics fun for Sam?
Yes. I was always very creative and wanted to explore this talent, so I thought of learning robotics.
So what did you learn?
Robotics helped me in understanding the subjects of STEM with the hands-on approach, and now I'm working on making robots on my own.
But is it fun?
Yes, with LogiQminds' well-equipped classes and technologically advanced classroom made learning fun for me.
Really?
So what are you waiting for? If you wish to change your hobby into your passion, then LogiQminds is your one-stop solution. Book your slot today and get a customized programs just for you.